I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at Wubba pacifiers. Wubba on here. So these are my favorite pacifier for your baby, and things I really like about this are the fact that the pacifier itself is a Philips Avent pacifier. So these are really good quality silicone pacifiers, and you know it's being made by a really reputable company where the quality of the materials, the quality of the manufacturer is going to be really good. So it's got this silicone base to it. It's a nice thick base here, and then we've got some holes in the pacifier itself. And then this is the cool part, this fairly basic but really high quality pacifier is then sewn directly into these cute little animals. And here we've got an elephant, but you can also get giraffes and monkeys and all kinds of different animals. And the advantage of this, there's a couple things. One, when it's attached to a stuffed animal like this, it's harder to lose the pacifier if it gets just thrown around or dropped somewhere or whatever. Since it has this animal attached, it's going to be kind of hard to lose this guy. It's also great as the kids get bigger, they like to have a little animal attached. But for parents, really the best thing about having this is that you can put the pacifier in, and then you can kind of move the animal so that they're almost holding the pacifier there for the baby, so that they don't just drop it right out of their mouth. The weight of that and the positioning of that kind of help to keep the pacifier in, resting on their little tummy while they're using the pacifier, and I think that works really great. I've seen these used in hospitals, seen them used all over the place, and it's just kind of fun to have the animal, but there's actually a practical element to it as well. For washing, this is also super easy. You just take this and put it in a laundry bag like you would use for delicates, one of those mesh bags, and then just run it on a delicate cycle through the washing machine. And you do want to wash the pacifier out with some soap before you start to use it for the first time. For just day-to-day cleans, you can just clean the pacifier, but again, if you want to wash the whole thing, just drop it in the washing machine in a delicate bag, and you're good to go. So that's the Wubba pacifier, definitely my favorite. I probably have 50 of these, or gone through 50 of these with my 3 kids, and I think it works great.